Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I really appreciate. Check out all the different media. Check out our blockchain friends over here. We've added Flickdo to the list. And make sure you check out this menu over here where we're going to do some advertising for upcoming events. I'm doing a giveaway. It's ending on 5/1. It's going to start today. This is the asset that I'm going to give away. So this is a Pavia compatible asset like we've been doing. And you can join the giveaway on Twitter. So I'll pin a post on Twitter and you can just go there and do whatever it says. You know, it'd be like and follow and all that kind of stuff. Retweet, tag some people, join Discord, all that stuff. It'll be on there, the details. But this is the asset that I'm going to actually give away. This is a build a three-story metal and glass house. This is the purple one. I'm going to do different colors like I've been doing. This is the purple one that that I'm going to give away. So, incidentally, make sure you look for us on JPEG Store. The ones that we've already sold or given away, you can go on here and take a look at. There's some up here for sale. I am updating the GFIs or GIFs. I'm an electrician. I don't know if it's a GFI or a GIF, right? But I'm updating the GIFs for these NFTs. Okay, so these NFT GIFs will be updated. I'm working on that process right now. In fact, some of them I've already registered on the block. I've already registered it, updated the metadata. Waiting for it to register on the blockchain. We're going to see how a couple of those go, and then we're going to do all of them so that they have better quality GIFs. It's a work in progress, right? So it's a couple of us working on this. Okay, so make sure you check out Magic Square NFT. So, but this was the last one we gave away. This purple one here. So see, the GIF needs to be updated. But this was the last one. This was a series 2 that we just gave away. And you can go on here and load and look at the ones we've already done though. But this was a series 2, so a sharp looking. But this is the one we're going to give away here. Well, we're going to give away the purple one. Let's see where it's at. Here it is. So we're going to give away this purple one right here. Again, it's a 3-story house, and this is a Pavia compatible asset. Now, I've followed all the recommendations that Pavia put out. This is in their Pavia viewer. All right, so this is actually in their viewer, what it would look like in the Metaverse. So where you can load your stuff in, take a look at it. I'm going to make a video on how to do this. I know I've been saying that, just busy. I'm going to make a video on actually how to maybe I might make some modeling videos. I don't know, but I'm going to make a video on how to register the NFT and actually get it uploaded into NFT form so that you can do your own, right? And want everybody to be able to do their own NFTs. This is great, you know, um, metaverse, what's going on with the blockchain. This is going to be great. So everybody's going to be able to make their own kind of stuff, at least in some of the metaverses, right? So anyway, look, I got a kind of like a semi-hollow roof with the Cardano symbol up here and triple staircase. But everything's built to scale on this, and should be able to plop right down on a single lot in Pavia Metaverse. And this is a 3-story structure here. I've kept the polygon count low, all that stuff, the vertex count low, and it's built to specifications that they've put out. Now, those obviously the metaverse has not been released yet, so we're not, you know, I'm selling this as art, okay, or I'm giving this away as art, okay. So speaking of selling, there will be actually a $10, not $10, a 10 ADA minting fee because that's what it costs me to mint them. Okay, so but I'm giving this away, and whoever wins it will have to take care of the 10 ADA minting fee. Okay, just like all my other giveaways. But but see, look, it's got pink floors and purple walls. So. But I've built this to specifications for Pavia Metaverse, and this is in their viewer. I just don't want to guarantee anything because obviously I can't load it up um, into their Metaverse yet and give it a run. But so I'm just giving this away as art only. This is a Series 3 NFT. Um, and I eventually want to get a website built, and I'm going to list all of these in a catalog in the different series. So we've got one. It was only one Series 1, and now and we've done Series 2, and this is Series 3 here. So, but this is the one that I'm gonna give away is the purple one. Now the rest of them I'm going to do. I'm gonna do. Let's see, what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 99 is 18. I think we'll do I think we'll do 3 of the rest of them. So and they're going to be for sale. I'm going to sell them for 25 ADA a piece, and I'll sell them for 25 ADA a piece. Now I'm not going to. I'll release a video on that, or the details. Those are roughly the details right now because I'm just kind of coming up with it right now as I'm sitting here. Um, but I'm pretty sure I'll probably have those ready to start minting next weekend. We'll have to wait and see, and I'll do maybe like 3 of each. So these are the different colors here. And that's the pink one. There's the purple one. Now I'm only going to mint one of the purple ones, so there will only be one purple one, and that will be the one that I give away. Okay, that will be the one that I give away. Is that purple one? And but just to give you an idea of the different colors that are available here. So anyway, all right. Well, that's about that. Make sure you check out Twitter and and everything. Look for the video. I probably will make a video right after this about NFT Maker. They're the people that we use to mint these, and we've looked at a bunch of the minters, and they're the best ones to use. But they're getting ready to have their initial coin offering, so I want to make a video on that. Um, everything's going to be NFTs, right? So that's probably a good project to invest in. But all right, well, check out our blockchain friends and check out our giveaway, and the directions will be on Twitter. Okay. All right, you all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.